Hey guys, I'm out here in Gwinnett County. I'm in the city of Lawrenceville, new community, over 200 sites. You heard me, 200 sites. This builder is just getting started. Only 4 are under contract, so we have 196 more. How cool is that? I'm gonna show you the house of the month. This property can close next month, December 2022, in time for the new year. This is a beauty. 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths. You heard me. You get 4 bedrooms and you get 4 full baths. You get a nice size loft, corner lot, and it has up to $10,000 worth of incentives. That's right, $10,000 worth of incentives. But you have to act fast. This property must close by December 31st. If you want a private tour, give me a call. Lowe 770-885-3790. Let me show you the property. It's still under construction, but no worries. I have additional pictures inside this video to show you what a complete London plan looks like. But this is the actual home that I'm getting ready to show you now. Come on, let's go take a tour. see is still under construction, but it will be complete by next month, which is December 2022. Who needs to move before the end of the year? Call me now, D-Lowe 770-885-3790. Thank you.